these tips, and that's the muffler, and we're gonna do the resonator as well. So we're gonna try best to do the resonator. So we're gonna do the resonator first because you guys been requesting. So we're gonna, like you guys requested, we're gonna hear the resonator delete first. It's being worked on currently. It's perfect. And so we're gonna do the resonator delete first and keep the mufflers on so you guys can hear how it sounds since you guys been requesting for that. And then we'll have a look. Tips are off. We're gonna go for 2 straight pipes. There we go, it's going quad tips. Muffler delete, back down, the resonator delete. We'll see how it sounds, guys. Stay tuned.